Hello and welcome to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to see the multiple ways with which we can import clips into the software and how we can use the playback function for simple playback. The first way to do that is to use a Windows file browser. I can navigate to the folder that I have my footages inside, and I can use Shift and Control to multi-select, or I could just select single clips and I can drag and drop the clips that I want onto any of these preload boxes, and the software is going to import those clips. There's also a file browser inside of the StageDesigner. Here I can navigate to the folder that I have my footage in using this navigator, or I can manually enter the path of the folder that I have my footages in, and again I can use Shift and Control or Control to multi-select, or I can just single select the clips and I can drag and drop them onto any of these preload boxes, and they are going to be imported and ready for playback. I have the option also to use this menu up here, preload, import multiple clips, and I get another file browser, and here I can also again multi-select the clips and click on open. The software will ask me from which index onwards should it import the clips. I can either leave it at 1 or I can just give any other number that I need. I would go with 22, and I have the options to reset the values of each clip or keep it, and that is if I had done any edit on these clips before and they are saved already in the cache. So I can just go with the reset values, I click on OK, and the clips are imported from the index 22 onwards. I can also use the preload boxes themselves by double clicking on any of these preload boxes. I open the preload menu, and here I have the option to click on open again, and I get a file browser. I select the clip that I need, click on open, and the video is imported and ready for playback. I have 4 playback options in StageDesigner. First one is an add option, which means I can add multiple instances of the same clip for playback. I have the once option, which means the clip is going to be played once, and once the loop is finished, it's going to get out of the playback. And I have the trigger option, which means as long as I keep pushing this trigger button, the clip is going to stay in play, and when I let go of it, the clip is going to get out of playback. And I have the flip-flop option, which means the video is going to stay in loop, and if I want to stop it again, I have to click on this flip-flop button again. And that is how we can import multiple clips into StageDesigner and use them for simple playback. I hope you're enjoying using the software and hope to see you in the next tutorial.